viewers, this is Biama TV, and today we are bringing to you a Gari factory in Tuobodom. Yeah, Tuobodom in the Bono East Region. So now let's start how they peel the cassava. Okay, so this is a peeled cassava. This is a cassava. This is a cassava. And let's move closer to see how our women prepare their gari. How our women prepare their gari. So you see how she's peeling it. Yes, yes, yes. In fact, we have a hard-working woman here who daily spend their time in preparing gari for us. And you know, if you know gari, you can use gari to do a whole lot of things. Even we have gari fufu, where you put gari in the hot water. Okay, then you stir it. We have gari soakings. So this is how we do gari. Now they are peeling the cassava. Yes, very beautiful scene that you are seeing. So we move step by step. This is some of the peeled cassava. Okay. Our women, they don't want to show their face, so that's why I'm not bringing their face. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. If you want to show your face, please show your Mati. So this is a Gari factory in Tuobodom that I'm doing to you. So let's move to the next stage. Okay. Yes. You see my mommy. Yes. She's doing it beautifully. She's doing it beautifully. Peeling the cassava. Yes. Okay. Mommy. Yes. Hey. Pacho. Yes. We are so happy with the work that they are doing because they are feeding Ghanaians, a whole lot of Ghanaians, including foreigners. Anybody who eats gari, this is how gari is being prepared. This is the first stage. So look at how they are peeling the cassava. They are peeling the cassava. Cassava dough. Okay. So we are still in the gari manufacturing stages. This is cassava dough. Okay. So when they grind it in a machine, they put all together. So you are seeing the cassava dough. And you know, yesterday, if you remember the banku that I did to show you, they use cassava dough and add it and mix it with the corn dough. So this cassava dough will be used for gari. So we are still going through the process so that you see how gari is made in Ghana. How gari is made in Ghana. But on to Udugumana, Moya day. Okay, so the so never sonny. Oh, okay. So it means that she's putting the corn dough in a sack. Okay, so that they will have a machine that they will use it to press it, so that all the starch will come out of it. So this is how she's doing it. So they will put it in a sack. This is a very beautiful scene that you will love to watch. Manufacturing of gari in Ghana, and we are in Tuobodom, a popular town in the Bono East Region. Tuobodom. Yes. So they are filling the sacks with the cassava dough. They are filling the sacks with the cassava dough. Filling the sacks with the cassava dough. Yes. Okay. So this net is being used to separate the sticks in the cassava from the real cassava dough. And you could see that it's a bit dry. It's a bit dried. Remember, I said earlier that they put it in a sack, then they press it so that all the starch will come out of the cassava dough. So you are seeing it. So these are the things that they don't want it to be mixed with the gari that they are producing. So this is a gari manufacturing center in Tuobodom. See how beautifully she's doing it. So beautifully. In fact, let's congratulate our mothers. They are doing a hard work here so that we can get gari in our homes, we can get gari to schools and anywhere, even exporting it. This is gari making in Tuobodom. Okay, so from here, you see this one? You can see even it's looking like even gari. It's looking like gari. So we go to the next stage. Where they are frying it. You see? Here they are frying the gari to become cake. They are frying it. This is gari making. Yes. So this is a fire hole. This is a fire hole. So I took you to the fire hole. Okay. Yes. So this is almost done. It's almost cake. Yes. I can feel the scent of the gari. Yes. So this is the gari. Am I? That's gari making. This is a final stage. This is a final stage. So this one, can I touch it? Can I touch it? Can I touch it? Okay. So this is a gari. Yes, this is a gari. So I want to taste it too, but you know the way I'm holding the camera, I can't taste it. But this is the gari. very beautiful. And this one, when you get your milk and sugar in the afternoon, hey, then you can even add banana to it. You cut banana into it. You feel it. You enjoy it. That is gari, and gari is a product from cassava. It's a product from cassava. And remember, I showed you all the stages. The first, how the gari is made. From the first stage, this is the end of it. So this is a gari that gari making. Gari. Please get gari, and you can come to Tuobodom and ask of Gari factory. You can come and buy some, then go and sell. It's a good business because gari is eaten by all. Whether you are in your house or even you are in a school, and you know the students, especially the secondary school students, they like gari. They eat gari. Gari with shito. You can eat gari with shito. So thank you very much for watching Biama TV. We came to you from Tuobodom, a gari manufacturing center. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to Biama TV. Bye bye. You see how I'm crying? It's not easy. But you're doing well. The women are doing well, very well. You see I'm crying. I'm crying. The fire. You see that? I mean, I'm crying. It means that our women, I mean, they're doing very well for Mother Ghana. So please, come to this center and come and buy gari and go and sell so that they can also get money to take care of their families. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.